This is good. From what we've been doing today, we've been slating China a lot. This is a good thing that China are doing. China brings forward launch of solar power plant space station that would beam energy back to Earth. So on the image here, you've got the sun taking energy into the power plant and then beaming it back onto Earth.
Ah, that's good. Back to other solar panels.
It looks like that on the diagram, yeah. So a similar project was proposed by NASA 2 decades ago, but never developed. The UK government commissioned independent research. It's a British. I've only skimmed through this, but it's a British project, but China are doing it, I think.
The thing is, like with China, they'll bring a project out and then they'll get it done quick.
Yeah,
In
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Britain, it takes fucking ages for them to do anything.
Is that because of the regulations?
Yeah, because of like regulations and bureaucracy, it just everything takes ages.
China has a regulation that's stopping them. They'll just remove the regulation.
Yeah, because I remember when I was living in China, like they'll start building like they'll build like a start building a building, and then it'll be up in like a month.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like they'll start building it, and then something will happen, and then it'll take another 6 months delay, and the building's not finished within like a year.
That's because all these regulation issues. On top of that, the labour force who just drink about 70 brews.
Yeah.
So this is how a space-based solar panel works. Number one, the radiation from the sun is captured by a fleet of solar panels in low Earth orbit. So by a satellite power. No, it's not really a satellite, is it? It's a power plant orbiting the Earth. And
Yeah,
orbiting.
I think if it orbits Earth, it's classed that it's called a satellite.
Oh right, okay. An orbiting power plant converts the energy to laser or microwaves before beaming it to the Earth. On the ground, a receiving system converts the beam into electricity and it feeds the power grid into the power grid.
It's a good idea.
So it's UK. Oh no,
It's a UK invention.
yeah, which is being carried out by the Chinese, which is a good, like a good way of two countries working well together.
Yeah, I don't
We've
know
got
if
the ideas. They do.
China will pay the UK for their idea, or they just steal it.
Yeah, they'll
But
sell it back to us to use on our power grid.
yeah, they'll build them all and then just be like, yeah.
Yeah.
How much power can it make? Well,
Yeah, 10
Tesla's,
kilowatt power output. So the biggest power plant will be able to distribute 10 megawatts to. That's a test station. I don't know. So it's around the same as the UK current power
technology,
plants.
the technology would have advanced by 2050, and the station would be big enough to output 2 gigawatts, the equivalent of the output of most of the UK's terrestrial power plants. Ah, I'm just thinking though, how much space would you need for these solar panels on
On
Earth?
Earth.
But then, I guess it not as much as you would just to get power from the sun on Earth, because you've not got to deal with clouds or anything.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the sun is always going to be in space. So that power station, that a satellite, is always going to be in space.
Oh, yeah. And if you think about solar panels, right, I'm just going to end this for a sec. You've got to lay them out flat. But if you are beaming something into something, you don't necessarily have to have flat out solar panels. If you're talking about space, like land mass,
Yeah.
you won't have to take all that land mass up. You can probably stack, like, have it in a stack anyway, because it'll come into the top and trickle down into whatever's the storage facility.
Oh, perhaps. I don't know too much about solar panel technology,
No,
but
me either. But I've always just thought, like, to actually get a good amount of power coming, you need a fucking
yeah, you
massive
need
place.
massive ones. But if it's a direct beam, then it should just be able to beam straight onto it's a stack of solar panels.
just a receiver, and then once you can build something upwards or build it under the ground, then
Even if you can manipulate that laser to like hit one solar panel and go round and hit the others.
Yeah. I don't think it will hit solar panels, though, will it? Underground, it must hit. It says a receiving system converts the beam into electricity. So I think they've just used solar panels in this description, but I don't know if it actually needs solar panels or if it just needs something to receive it. Which will, I don't know.
It's a good idea though to harness the sun's power because there's a lot of wasted energy up there.
Yeah, loads. That's the goal, isn't it? Is to do that. But there's probably some life forms which are doing that. Some.
Yeah, it's just like another step to cleaner and pretty much unlimited power.
Yeah,
which is what we need.
Unlimited power. What we need.
If the world can generate unlimited power, like there's no stopping humanity after that. I don't think. That'll fix so many of the world's problems.
Yeah, unlimited power. What can't be fixed with power, innit? Literally, what can't be fixed with power.
And it'll free up the minds of people who are focusing on generating this unlimited power. If the power's already there, then their minds are free.
So
they can focus on fixing the other issues that we've got on Earth, like food and stuff, with the power, that unlimited power that we've got.
Yeah.